हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक पेरेंट्स। आई होप कि लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने जो इंग्लिश में आपको दिखाया था स्टैंडिंग एंड स्लीपिंग लाइन का यूज करके कैपिटल लेटर बच्चे कैसे सीख सकते हैं, तो उतने पेजेस फ्रॉम टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर। टुडे इज 24th July 2020 and we will go up to slanting line, right slanting, left slanting, up and down lines, down and up lines, then letters A, N, M, V, W, K, X, Y, Z. All these letters are with the use of slanting lines. Fine. Now move to this page number 15. This is class work page. Write down the date 24/7. Now this is right slanting line. That means it starts from right side. So what children will do? They will trace these dots and make slanting lines like this. Below these lines, in these lines there are two dots are given on the upper case and on the bottom case. So they will join the dots and make slanting lines. Likewise, they will complete this whole page. Now go to the next page. Write down the date 24/7. As this is the homework page, you have to make them write down by themselves. This is left slanting line. That means it starts from left side downwards to the right side. They will join the dots and complete the tracing and make the slanting line left to right. Likewise, in this line also, they will join these two dots and make slanting lines and complete the whole page. Now go to the next page. Here is the pattern with the use of right slanting line and also the left slanting line. That means up and down patterns. So children will join the dots and make pattern completed like this. Same in these lines there are dots given, so they will trace the lines of patterns and will make lines here by joining the dots like this. Continuously they will do the work with the pencil. They will not stop their work. They will join the dots continuously and complete the pattern. Same in these lines, they will draw patterns like this and complete the page. Have to make date here. Now this is homework page, but it is down and up patterns. In this page it is up and down patterns, but in this page there is down and up patterns. That means first down side line will start and then it go to upside. Children will join the dots and complete the pattern continuously. Likewise, in these lines, they will join the dots from left to right side. That means down, up to down, and again up and again down and again up and again down, and will complete the pattern. In these lines, they will draw the pattern by themselves like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And will complete the whole page. Now go to the next page. Here, there is a letter A for apple. This letter is with the help of right slanting line, left slanting line and slipping line. So children will join the dots like this and complete the pattern and write down A. In these lines they will write by themselves only like this. Now next page is homework page. They will complete by themselves only. Now go to the next page. Here there is a letter N. Now N is with the use of 2 standing lines and 1 standing line. Children will join the dots and complete letter N. First they will join standing line, then slanting line, then again standing line and complete the patterns. They will write like this by themselves. This is the homework page. Make them complete by themselves only. Now next page, there is a letter M. M is with the use of 2 standing lines and 2 slanting lines. There is a right slanting line and left slanting line. So children will join the dots and write M. In these lines, they will write by themselves like this. Standing, slanting, they will touch this bottom line without fail. Again slanting and slanting. Same, this is the homework page. They will do by themselves only. You have to just keep a watch. Now, here is letter V. So, V is with the use of 2 slanting lines. Right slanting line and left slanting line. So, children will join the dots and will write down V. And they will write by themselves like this, right slanting line, left slanting line and complete these all lines. This is the homework page. Same, they will do by themselves. Here, now next letter is W. W is with the use of 2 right slanting and 2 left slanting lines. So, children will join the dots like this. First, this line, then this, and then this, and then this. One by one, they will make the line. Right, left, and will complete this page. This is W for window. Same, this is the homework page. They will complete by themselves only. Now, this letter is K. K for kite. So, kite is object. So K for kite is with the help of 1 standing line and 2 slanting lines. So children will write down like this. They will join the dots, standing, slanting, slanting. They will write down like this without fail. Standing, then this slanting line will up to this middle line only. And then again slanting. Same, they will complete the homework. This is X. X for xylophone. X is with the help of 2 slanting lines. One is right slanting line, another is left slanting line. So children will write like this and complete this all lines. Same, this is the homework page. They will do. The next letter is Y. Y for yak. Yak is an animal. Y is with the use of 2 slanting lines. Right slanting line and left slanting line. So how children will write down? The right slanting line will be only up to the middle line. And then left slanting line will start from this upper line till the bottom line. Like this. And they will complete the whole page. Same homework page. And the last letter is Z for zebra. Z for zebra is with the use of 2 slipping lines and 1 slanting line. So here children will trace first slipping line, then slanting line, then slipping line. Likewise, they will write down here slipping, slanting and slipping. and will complete this homework page also. Parents, you have to help your children to complete this by themselves only. You have not to help them by holding their hands. Here, there is a matching. The left side column is letters and the right side is pictures. So, you have to ask them, which letter is this? This is K for. K for what? They will find from here. K for what? So, K for kite. So, they will match K with kite. Only one single line will be there. No many lines will be there. Same, L. L for what? So, they will say L for lion. So, they will match L with lion. And will complete rest of letters. You have to teach this page and will give this page in homework. That means they will do this by themselves only. They will make efforts to do this. वो अपने आप करेंगे. बच्चों को बोलना है कि चलो ये पेज अपने आप करो. फिर अगर गलती होगी पूरा पेज करने के बाद, फिर बाद में आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है कि नहीं ये यहाँ पे गलत है. अगर बच्चे ने F फॉर फिश तो F को फिश के साथ मैच नहीं किया है और यहाँ पे कर दिया है, उसको पूरा पेज करने दो. वो पूरा पेज करेगा, बाद में आपको बताना है उसको कि यहाँ पे आपका गलती है और फिर रब आउट करके वापिस आपको वहां पे सिखाना है और उसको कंप्लीट करवाना है. थैंक यू पेरेंट्स.